Good morning, my dear students. How are you? In my previous video, we were discussing the chapter 6, that is formatting a document. In this chapter, we have already discussed the character formatting and the paragraph formatting. Today I am going to start the new formatting, that is the page formatting, plus we will do how we can insert the images, how we can insert the shapes, that is how we can insert the shapes, and how we can insert the symbols in our documentation. These are our today's topics: page formatting plus inserting images, shapes, and the symbols. So let's start with the practical session of this. I'm opening a new document in MS Word. Now let's start your practical session with the page formatting. In the page formatting, your subtopic is, that is the page size. How we can select the page size. For doing the page size, you will have to click on this tab, that is the page layout tab. Wherever you will click on the page layout tab, then there is a group that is named page setup. In page setup, you can set the page size, you can set the page orientation, and you can set the page margins. Whenever you will click on the page size, then you can select the size according to your requirement. That's page size I have selected, that is as the page size letter. I can select it as a A4. Whenever I will click on it, its size will be changed according to the A4 size paper, like this. And according to the selected size, its margin is already that is by default selected according to your selected page size. Clear? Now the orientation, there are two type of orientation: portrait and the landscape. Portrait is just like this, and the landscape is just like this. This is in the form of the portrait. If I want to set its orientation as a landscape, then I'm clicking on this landscape, and you can see now the page in the format of the landscape, and its margins are automatically settled down according to your selected orientation. But if you want to set the margins according to your requirement, yeah, you want to change the margins, then how we can do this? Then click on this margin, and there are so many margins that are already built up. That is normal. In this normal, it will leave the distance at the top 1 inch, bottom 1 inch, left 1 inch, right 1 inch. If you will select the narrow, then it's top and bottom and left and right, it will leave the space half inch. In moderate, like this, wide, mirrored, office, customs, and custom margins, you can also change the margin by yourself whenever you will click on this. और अगर अपने अकॉर्डिंगली आप इसमें से आपको कोई भी मार्जिन पसंद नहीं है, एंड यू वांट टू सेट अप द पेज मार्जिन्स अकॉर्डिंग टू योर रिक्वायरमेंट, देन यू कैन click on this, and this page setup box is open. Now you can give your top margins. It's 0.38. I'm increasing. Bottom, I'm decreasing. Left, increasing. Right, increased. And whenever I will, an orientation is portrait and the landscape, and pages, multiple pages, normal, dislike, preview, ये नीचे जैसे जैसे आप चेंज कर रहे हो, यहाँ देखिए, you can see the margin is changed here, like this, right? If I am decreasing, like this, you can see here in this preview window. And if you want to apply this margin to the whole document, you have to some selected text, you can set from here. And now whenever I will click on this OK, तो इस पेज पर इसी top, left, right margin के accordingly this page will be settled down. Click OK, and you can see इसका मार्जिन ऑटोमेटिकली सेट हो गया. जितना मैंने लेफ्ट में लीव किया था, जितना मैंने राइट में डिस्टेंस मार्जिन इसका दिया था, जितना टॉप में और जितना बॉटम में, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट मार्जिन दिस पेज इज सेटल डाउन. नाउ इट्स ऑल अबाउट योर page formatting, in which page size, page orientation, page margins you can set up. Next is your page breaks. How you can apply the page breaks. Next is page break. If you want to divide your page into two pages, how you can break your page? you will place your cursor as that place from where you want to break your page. For example, I want to break my page after this question number 4. I have placed my cursor here. Then I will click on this insert tab. In insert tab, you will go in this page group. In page group, you will click on this page break. Whenever I will click on this, just see the difference in this document. Whenever I am clicking on this, and you can see my page is divided 1 2 3 4 and 9, and the rest questions are on the other page. So this is the page break options. Next is how you can create a header and footer. When you want to give the footer and header, then you will click on this insert tab and you will go on this header and footer options. मैं footer में कुछ देना चाहती हूँ, then I am clicking on this. If you want to give the pages, page number at the bottom, top, this is header and footer sections. You can select according to you. At the bottom of the page, like this, top of the page, ये top of the page के अलग अलग format आ गए, आप choose कर सकते हो. At the bottom of the page मैंने ये यहाँ पे किया. Not this is at the left hand side, this is at the middle. This plain number 3 will place the page number at the right hand side. I want to place the page number in the middle, so I am selecting this. You can see now the page number is in the middle. 1, second page it is 2. This is all about your inserting a page number, header and footer. Next is how you can apply a border to your document. How we can apply a border to your document. So go in the page layout tab. Now go in this group page ground group and click on this page border. You can settle down the page border here. You can select the different styles from here. You can select the style from here, dash styles. This different type of styles you can choose from here. For example, I have selected this style. Clear. Color, I want to give the color that is purplish, blue, green, whatever color you can choose here. Width, I am choose here this dark width. और अगर मैं कुछ art में देना चाहती हूँ, then you can choose this art options from here, like stars. And okay, apply to whole document, then it will apply the border. Okay, you can see border is applied to my page. This is how we can apply a border. Next is shading. Same concept is giving on the shading. Click on this page layout, page border, click on this shading, fill color, whatever color you want to fill, this color. Style आप solid कितना देना चाहते हो, 10%. Pattern, color you can choose, and apply to paragraph, a whole. Okay, you can see here this shading is done. If you apply the shadings to your document, select the text on which part you want to apply the shading. I have selected second, third and fourth questions, page borders, and again shading, and I have selected the color that will be red, and style, dark, light, whatever you want to select the styles. I am selecting this style. There, color, light color, and okay. You can see it's changed here. Now the style in shading I have selected the style and the color according to that text is shade here. This is all about your shading on a page. Next is divide a page into a column. If you want to divide a page into the column, go to your page, then go in the page layout, then click on this column, page setup. You will go in this page setup group and click on this column. If you want to divide your page into the 2 columns, 1, 3, left, right, whatever options you can choose from here. I have choose the second option, this. तो दैट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू द 2 कॉलम्स। अब एक कॉलम में जितने भी क्वेश्चंस थे वो इस कॉलम में आ गए। जब आप लास्ट में जाएंगे, अब देखिए आपका नेक्स्ट कॉलम है। अब लास्ट में जाने के बाद वट एवर आई एम राइटिंग हेयर, इट इज राइटिंग हेयर इन द नेक्स्ट कॉलम बिकॉज योर पेज इज डिवाइडेड इनटू द 2 कॉलम। जो भी आप पहले लिखोगे वो फर्स्ट कॉलम में आएगा। व्हेन यू विल reach at the last, then you will automatically move to the second column, and whatever you will write here, that will be written in this second column. This is all about your page formatting. Clear? I think this is clear to you that how we can format the page. This is the page formatting. In this page formatting we have done the page size, page orientation, margins. Then next we have done, that is how we can insert the page break, how we can insert header and footer. Next, how we can apply the page border, how we can apply the shading on a page or on a text, how we can divide our page into the columns. This is all about the page formatting. Next we have to do, that is how we can insert the images, how we can insert the shapes, and how we can format an image or a shape. Now click on this how you can insert a image. For this, click on this insert and go on this picture, and you can select any picture from your laptop. From here, pictures I am selecting. There is no picture I am having. Still I am selecting. I have selected a picture from the D drive. Any picture we can select from here like this and insert. And you can see the picture is inserted. You will have to select the path of the picture, that where your file is saved. Like this picture, I have gone into the D drive because मेरी pictures D drive में पड़ी थी, D drive में downloads, and then the pictures are shown here, and I have inserted the picture from here. Click. This is the method that how you can insert a image in a page. This page I have inserted in it. Next is how you can insert a shape. Again you have to, if you want to insert a shape, like this. Here I am inserting a shape. I am clicking on this insert button. Again go to the illustration group, then click on the inserted shapes. Whenever you will go in this inserted shape, there are many shapes and you can insert any shape. For example, I have taken this smiley face, and now your cursor, you can see the plus sign. You will drag your mouse, and that shape will be, that you can see that shape here as you will drag your mouse like this, and from here your page is shown here, your shape is shown here. जैसे ही आपकी पिक्चर्स यहाँ पे होगी, as your shape will be inserted here, you can see one more tab on this ribbon, that is format tab, that is drawing tool and the format tab. पहले ये tab नहीं, अगर आप यहाँ जाओगे तो यहाँ पे नहीं, text पे जाते हैं हम किसी, then this tab is not showing here. Whenever you will insert any picture and shape, then you can see one more tab at the at your upper ribbon like this. That is the format tab for this picture. This is the format tab for this shape. In this format tab, whenever you will go in this format tab, then you can formatting your shape like this. Shape style, you can change this shape style, और अगर text है तो text style. Shape fill, you can insert the shape fill with the different colors. shape outlining, red color, shape effects, glow में भी इतने सारे हैं. You can give different type of the shape effects here. Different styles you can give to your shape from here. This was all about your how you can insert the shape. Next is formatting an image or a shape. How you can format an image or a shape. Just you can select and you can drag it. मेरा थोड़ा सा माउस में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. जैसे ही आप ड्रैग करोगे ये देखो स्मॉल एंड दिस यू कैन रीसाइज. और यहाँ से हम उसको रोटेट भी कर सकते हैं अपनी पिक्चर को, लाइक दिस. This is how we can format an image or a. Next and the last topic of this chapter is inserting symbols. How we can insert the symbols. You have to apply the same procedures. We will click on this insert tab. Then we will go on this symbol group. In this symbol group, whenever you will click on this symbol group, sorry, that is selected. I am clicking here and now I will click on this symbol group, this symbols. You can see the different symbols and you can insert any symbols from here. We can divide, beta, multiply, any symbols we can insert. Click on this cross and you can see it is showing the cross symbol here, like this symbols. And more symbols, if you want to insert any other symbols that it is not showing here, click here. Now this is the special characters and here is special symbols. You can insert any symbols. You can select many things. Go on Algerian and anything and you can select many symbols from here. Click this and click on this insert. 3 times, 3-4 times I have inserted and that symbols it is showing here. This is the method how we can insert the symbols in a document. This is all about this chapter. Now in these 2 videos, in my yesterday's videos, in my today's video, this chapter is completed, formatting a document. We have done the character formatting, we have done the paragraph formatting and page formatting, and how we can insert the symbols and all symbols, images and the shape. This is all about this chapter, and please do the practice of this practical session. Thank you and have a nice day.